Hey, Amy White from Worthy Written Words here, and today we're going to be in Genesis chapter 21 of our Old Testament journaling edition. I have a second book underneath this one to help support the page, and we're first going to start with our really big landscape sticker. Now you can see on the back there's these slits, so we're going to just take one section off of this sticker and apply it one section at a time. So we're lining it up, and it's easy to line it up with the backing still on it. So line it up where the backing is and then smooth the sticky part onto the page. And then underneath you can undo the backing while at the same time smoothing it from the top side to get any air bubbles out and to make sure that there's no wrinkles. As you pull apart the page, just keep doing this until the whole thing comes off. Now we started from the center of our book and worked our way out because we have some hanging off the edges, and that's okay. We want that too. So we can cut them off with a pair of scissors, and so it goes perfectly with our page. Don't start from the outside and go in. It's much easier to do it with it hanging off the sides. Now we're going to take this clear song lyric sticker and we're going to put it in the margin. Now, because usually these clear stickers won't peel off once you stick them down, but because we're doing it on top of this other sticker, if you mess up, you may be able to get it off like I do. Try and line it up. If you have lines in your margins, try and line it up with the lines. Now I did that, but then it hung off the top. So I'm peeling it off slowly and it's able to do that. And then I realign it with the lines and put it on in the center. Now I'm taking this Hagar cutout and I'm going to put these 3D foam dots on her. And originally I put her in the middle of the margin, like I line it up with the quote above her. But because of all the other stickers, you actually want to stick her all the way to the end of the page so you have more room in the footer for these other stickers that we're going to put there. So we get these white stickers, and by white I mean just that they're not see-through. And the first thing I'm going to do is put this Not Forsaken tab label on our orange tab, and that's going to go on the top later. And then I'm going to play around with these different stickers. So we've got the clear Hagar sticker and these white stickers, and so you can put them in different places than I do. I play around and you can see the different options that I go with, and then you can see what I end up with. I like to cut stickers off of the sheet so that I can put them around before I actually place them down to kind of see the different options that I can do. So that's just a little tip if you want to try different things, like instead of doing the way I did it. Now we've got our hot glue gun heated up, and we're going to take our succulent sticker and our piece of felt and our paper clip, and we are going to put the hot glue on the piece of felt and then the paper clip on the felt, the hot glue, and then sandwich that paper clip between the sticker and the felt piece, and then that is going to be done. We also attach the tab with some washi tape, and we also use that washi tape to secure that paperclip bookmark into place. Now I'm going to play around with these cactus and succulent stickers, and I'm going to put them at the top and put one down by the well. Now, using the Glaze pen in your kit, we are going to outline the verses on top of this sticker. Now, usually this pen will flow really quickly and easily, but because we're doing it on top of this sticker paper, it's a little bit more difficult. So I have to have a piece of scrap paper next to me and degunk it often and do multiple layers on top to try and get a cohesive look for the width of this. So if this sounds too intimidating, or you want to practice it first on one of your extra scraps that you cut off the sides, that would be a great idea. So it just takes a little bit more time than usual. And I found that if I messed up, that I could with my fingernail or a piece of paper, I could actually still manipulate the ink before it fully dried. And that's the final piece to this kit. I hope you guys had a lot of fun playing around with stickers. They're one of the easiest and most beautiful ways to have a pretty layout. Be sure to subscribe so you can stay up to date on all of the videos that we release for different Bible journaling page kits. We will see you guys next time. Bye.